Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find chat history on Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you need to review messages, links, or important information shared during a meeting without having to rely on memory alone. First, you'll want to go to your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Simply open the application on your computer and enter your email and password to access your account. This step ensures you're connected to your Zoom workspace where all your meeting activity is stored. Once you're logged in, the next step is to join a meeting. This could be any active meeting that you have access to. Click on the meeting link or select it from your scheduled meetings list to enter the virtual room. Now that you're inside the meeting, take a look at the bottom toolbar of your screen. Here, you'll find various meeting controls and options. Among these buttons, locate and click on the chat button. This button typically looks like a speech bubble icon and is essential for accessing all communication within the meeting. After clicking the chat button, a right panel will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. In this right panel, you will see all the history of your chats from the current meeting. Everything that's been sent and received will be displayed here in chronological order, making it easy to track the conversation flow. To review earlier messages or find specific information, just scroll through the chat history in this panel. You can scroll up to see older messages or down to catch up on more recent ones. The interface makes it simple to navigate through all the communications without missing anything important. And there you have it. You've now located your chat history in Zoom, giving you quick access to all the messages and links shared during your meeting. This feature is particularly helpful for capturing action items, references, or any details you might need after the meeting concludes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.